For this lesson, we're going to find the distance on the coordinate plane of a line, but we are going to find it using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take the line segment that they've drawn, and you want to make a right triangle out of it. Now, this triangle that you drew is 2 units high, and the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long, and you are counting the blocks, not the lines. You're counting the blocks. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, the altitude is 2. 2 squared plus the base is 5. 5 squared equals, okay, C is across in the right angle. That's the side that you're trying to find. And in all of these, C is the one that we will be trying to find. Equals C squared. So 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 5 times 5 is 25. Equals C squared. 4 plus 25 is 29. Equals C squared. You've got to find the square root of that to get the final answer. And the directions said to round to the nearest tenth, so I am going to use my calculator. 5.4 when you round to the nearest tenth. So the length of that segment is 5.4. Okay, the next one. Again, you take the line segment that they drew and you draw a right triangle. I can't do it very well on this pen. It's 2 units high, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is the altitude, 2 squared. B is the base, 6 squared, equals c is the side we're trying to find. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 6 is 36, equals c squared. 4 plus 36 is 40. You got to take the square root of that to get the final answer. Square root of 40, 6.3. Okay, on the next one, draw a right triangle underneath your line segment. It is 1, 2, 3 units high and 1, 2 units wide, or long for the base. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is the altitude, 3 squared plus the base is 2. 2 squared equals c squared. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Square root of 13 is going to be our answer once I figure out what that is. .6. Okay. I think I have a couple more down here. Okay. This is having us start completely from scratch. And it's really hard with this board to draw straight lines, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, graph each pair of ordered pairs, then determine the distance between the points using the Pythagorean theorem. Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here. And 0, 2 is right here. So you connect those. Sorry, this pen is hard to do these lines. It's about as good as it's going to get. Make a right triangle out of those. Okay, the triangle is 1, 2, 3 units high and 1, 2, 3, 4 units wide. So we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is the altitude. So 3 squared, B is the base, 4 squared equals, we don't know the hypotenuse. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, equals C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, the next one, 0, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is right there. And negative 3, 0. 1, 2, 3 is right there. Best I can do right there. Make my triangle. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes high, 1, 2, 3 boxes long. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The altitude is 4. The base is 3. We don't know. I'm sorry, that was a glitch. We don't know the hypotenuse. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. It actually is the same problem as the last one. 25 equals C squared. It's not, the numbers are reversed. The triangle's in a different form, but it's the same size triangle. It's in a different location in the graph. Square root of 25 is 5. Okay, the next one, negative 1, 1. Negative 4, 4. Here's my hypotenuse. I draw on the triangle that is 1, 2, 3 units high and 1, 2, 3 units long. Okay, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is altitude, 3 squared plus, well, the base is also 3. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 9. So I get 18 for C squared. That means C is the square root of 18. Which is 4.2.